Hello everyone, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss some important problems and solutions regarding to the banking examinations. So let's get started. The first question is related to the Q1 and Q2, quantity 1 and quantity 2 comparison. Let's go through it. The first quantity is Q1 is x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and quantity 2 is y square minus 9 root 2 plus, right, 9 root 2x plus 40 equal to 0. So with the first quadratic equation, we will get the roots as x equal to 4 by 3, 4 and 3. 12 is breakdown as 4 into 3, 4 and 3, and x coefficient is minus 7, so minus 4 minus 3, and finally x roots will be 4 comma 3, changing the sign. In the same way, the y in the Q2, the y roots will be 40. 40 is breakdown as 20 and 2. 20 is again breakdown as 4 into 5, and 2 is can be written as root 2 into root 2. Here the x coefficient is minus 9 root 2, so we will distribute 4 root 2 and 5 root 2, and roots will be y equal to 4 root 2 and 5 root 2. Root 2 value is 1.414. When 4 is multiplied with 1.414, obviously the value will be more than 4. In the same way, the 5 is multiplied with 1.414, the value will be more than 5. Hence, 4 root 2 is greater than 4, and as well as 3 also, and 5 root 2 is greater than 4 comma 3. Hence, Q2 is greater than Q1. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to the second question. A 1.5 meter wide path runs inside the periphery of a rectangular plot of dimension 18 meters into 15 meter, while the remaining area is meant for planting flowers. If one flower occupies an average area of 0.5 square meter, how many flowers can be planted? There is a rectangular plot of length 18 meters and breadth 15 meters. Now a path is to be laid inside this rectangular plot. The path length is 1.5 meter. So this is the path laid of 1.5 meter length. Next, the remaining rectangular plot will be used for planting the flowers. So the remaining area will be remaining area's length will be 18 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. That is, this is the 1.5 meters, and again this 1.5 meters is to be subtracted for breadth, and for length also this 1.5 meter and this 1.5 meter must be deducted. So 18 minus 3 meters is equal to 15 meters, and the breadth will be 15 meters minus 3 meters equal to 12 meters. The remaining area is equal to 15 into 12. It is also given that each plant occupies an average area of 0.5 square meter. So the number of flowers will be 15 into 12 by 0.5. Numerator and denominator are multiplied by 10. So 15 into 12, 12 into 10 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 15 2s are 30, 30 into 12 equal to 360. 360 number of plants can be planted in this remaining area. I hope you understood. Moving to the third question. Try one bought an item for rupees 1200 and sold it for rupees 1600 after giving 20% discount. What would have been the percent profit earned had no discount been given? Actually, the cost price of try one is 1200 rupees and the selling price is 1600 rupees. This 1600 rupees selling price is after giving the 20% discount. Now the question is, we have to find out the profit percentage if no discount is been given. Let's go through the solution. The 1600 rupees is the selling price after providing 20% of discount. That means the 1600 rupees is equivalent to the 80% value. We need to find out the 100% value. 100% value means 100 by 80 into 1600, 25 is 24s, 400s, and 400 into 5 equal to 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees will be the selling price if when discount of 20% is not given. Now what we have to find out? The profit percentage. Profit percentage formula is profit by cost price into 100. The profit is 800. From where this 800 came? 2000 minus 1200 rupees equal to 800 rupees. 800 by 1200 into 100. The resultant will be 66 by 3%. Option D is the correct answer. Moving to the fourth question. Total 200 students, boys plus girls, in a school like either physics or chemistry. Number of boys is 50% more than that of girls. 30% of boys like physics. How many boys like chemistry? In a school there are 200 students. Out of that, boys are 50% more than the girls. That means boys will be 150% and girls will be 100%. The ratio will be 3:2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 parts. 5 parts value is given as a 200 in the question itself. And 3 parts will be boys value. 5 parts equal to 200, 1 part equal to 40. 40 into 3 equal to 120. There are total 120 boys are there in the school. Out of that, 70% will be 84. 30% will be liking physics and the remaining 70% will be liking 84. Option A is the correct answer. Moving to the second method. Second method will be easier one than when compared to the method 1. Method 2 will be the easier one. What we have to find out? We need to find out 70% value. 70% value is a 7 multiple, and among the options we have to find out the 7 multiple. Option A is a 7 multiple, option B is not, option C is not a 7 multiple, option D and D are also not 7 multiples. So among the options, only one option is there for 7 multiple, which is 84. Because 70 is a 7 multiple and 84 is also 7 multiple, option A is the correct answer. Moving to the last question. 8 years hence, the sum of the ages of A and B at that time will be 72 years. 4 years ago, A was as old as B will be 12 years hence. What was B's age 2 years ago? A plus B equal to 72 it is given. 8 years hence, the 8 years hence, the A plus B equal to 72 years. So the present ages will be 72 minus 16. Actually there are 2%. 2% ages, 2% sum of their ages was given as 72. 8 years, in order to find the present age, we have to deduct 16 years out of 72. So 72 minus 16 equal to 56. A minus 4 equal to B plus 2. This is the condition given in the question. So with A plus B equal to 56 and A minus B equal to 16, we will get B as 40 by 2, that is 20 years, and we need to find out the B's age 2 years ago. So 20 minus 2 equal to 18 years. Option D is the correct answer. I hope you understood all the problems and solutions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.